Hey, hi everyone. In the previous session, we applied the 12.2 driver along with this cup. It is a little bit of confusion, but 1-2 times if you do, you will understand this cup, how to handle this AD 12.2 with along with the consolidated upgrade patch. You always have to refer to the latest notes. So there may be some more patches. These are all the performance related patches which we need to apply with pre-install is equal to y and then merge with American driver and apply that merged patch. So you can refer all the notes. Now we are ready to apply the American driver patch. So for that what we do is first we merge all the pre-install patches with the American driver patch. So how do you do this? You go here, so what will happen is it goes to the pre-install particular directory and it will search for all the pre-installed patches and it will merge it. So once it is done, we can apply the main American driver patch. So let me just copy this. So the default will be U merge driver, which we need to apply now. So before that, we'll just add some table space from the database driver. Right, and yeah, the merged patch is completed. So the new patch number will be little different. If you observe it, you have to go here, and if you see this, it will be U merge driver. So this patch we need to apply in the VNC session. The reason being because we are applying a longer patch, a big patch. So I just want to connect to connect and the VNC and apply it. So I'm here. Oops, you specified U merge driver and the name is the driver file does not exist. So we'll see what has happened. We have the U driver, and let us see what is the error. So okay, we need to run the here we need to run the 12.2 and apply this particular patch. Yeah, so actually what we need to do is we need to run the new environment file which is there in FS1. We should not run the old environment file. So what I did, I just copied in the home location, and now I'll go to home location. I run this parameter, and now we are ready to apply the patch. Yeah. Yeah, so here what you should say yes. So what we'll do, just in case next time we will not forget this, so here I'll just go here and run this environment file. Right, so this is the 12.2 environment file. I think everywhere we need to do the same thing, right? From Yeah, once once the 12.2 installation is completed, we should start using the our 12.2 environment file. Right, I think this is the correct place, and yeah, so from here onwards the environment file what you're using will be 12.2 environment file. So just why not we make a note, we should be running 12.2 environment file. So normally I don't give yellow, so we'll give it blue, or it is a warning message, so why not we give red. Right, so that will, the patch is getting applied, and so it will take like a couple of hours, maybe 10 hours, sometimes 5 hours. It all depends upon the hardware what you have. So once it is completed, we'll come back. Thank you for watching. Well, the American driver patch is completed. So now what you can see the job timing, how much time it took for us to apply this particular patch. So yeah, approximately 3 hours, because I'm using SSD. Maybe that is one of the reason why why it would have taken so fast, but in real time it may take more longer also. It all depends upon your hardware, it all depends upon your hardware and everything. So in this in this particular module, what you have done is we have applied the American driver patch. We have merged this with some consolidated patches, and then we have applied this American driver patch. So now what you can do, you can you can verify, you can verify whether your release is 12.2 or not. Okay, so sounds good, right? So we did pretty good progress, and in the next one we will disable the maintenance mode and run the UTL RP, and we will run the rapid install in a configuration mode. So that's it for now. Hope you're enjoying our sessions. Thank you for watching.